Alright, everyone. Today we're setting off two fire alarms. We're setting off the system sensor SWL and the system sensor SW. This one is manufactured in 2015. This one's in 2019. Alright. Who's ready? Well, sorry about that. One of our technicians, our new technicians, got a little bit worried, everyone. But here's the system sensor SW. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that, everyone. If you heard someone saying, is that a fire alarm? It's a new technician. He's just getting used to fire alarms nowadays. It's not the cameraman, it's one of the persons, but anyways. Vaughn, can you zoom in there for us, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, so that's it for today's video. We're going to set off some more soon.